Khushbu was the first person actually where I felt for somebody so deep. Within few months मुझे ऐसा फील आया कि यार कोई अगर ऐसा इंसान है जिसके साथ मैं अपनी लाइफ शेयर कर सकता हूँ, खुशबू वॉज द ओनली पर्सन इन माई लाइफ जिसके साथ मुझे लगा कि यार दिस इज द वेरी पर्सन जिसके साथ मैं पूरी लाइफ निकाल सकता हूँ. दिस इज दैट पर्सन.
मिस्टर सोडे, that's what I call him जब बहुत प्यार आता है. और I just have one thing to say that Mr. Sode is my anchor. He brought stability in my life.
Always give more than you think the other needs. Believe in each other's support. Okay, then say I love you, I thank you every day. Trust, respect and appreciate each other. Be spontaneous, be fun, be romantic. Come on, be romantic.
Yeah!
Now when I fall through the endless life, this day we laugh and cry, changing my ways with a broken mind forever. All of these questions left behind, swept away by the ocean tide, changing our ways with a broken mind forever.
She was so welcoming, she was so loving from the start, though she rejected me a lot of times. For about good one year हमने बॉम्बे में जितने भी अंधेरी वेस्ट के जितने भी क्लब्स थे वहाँ पर डेट्स किए. एवरी टाइम में जाता था, हर रोज प्रपोजल लेके. शी यूज्ड टू से नो एवरी डे. मेरा 5-6 हज़ार का बिल बनता था एंड आई शुड गेट कि नहीं होने वाला भाई, कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
Through this forever, we stay together through hopeless times with all the color, more like a treasure. We're hopeless minds.
जब कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, जब कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा था क्या करना है, कहाँ जाना है, क्यों करना है, कैसे करना है, he held me back. He told me, wait, because I can give you clarity. And I realized that this is the clarity that I need in life.
More like a treasure. We're hopeless minds. Dim da dim dim da dim da dim dim da dim da dim dim da dim. Dim da dim dim da dim da dim dim da dim da dim dim da dim. Now when I fall through the endless life, I stay behind and cry.
नहीं, खुशबू को मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि उसने मेरे ऊपर ट्रस्ट किया है to give me a chance to live life with me. Of course, I will not let her down any day in the future. But more than that, I would require the kind of love and affection that she has for me. I only request her to be with me. I only request her to be in the tough times that we will have in future. So if we are together, I think we will make it happen. Everything can be done.
मनरसिया मेरी बात न माने वे मनरसिया मेरी जात न जाने वे मनरसिया मेरी बात न माने.
तुम क्यों इतनी जल्दी बड़ी हो गई? आँख खुली और नई सुबह हो गई. खुशबू, तुम क्यों इतनी जल्दी बड़ी हो गई? मुझे याद है वो दिन जब तुम्हें इन्हीं हाथों में पहली बार उठाया था. तुम्हें बोलना, चलना और खाना सिखाया था. तुम क्यों इन सब चीजों से परे हो गई? खुशबू, तुम क्यों इतनी जल्दी बड़ी हो गई? It's happening, it's possible.
just because of you. So it's nothing new. It's not something that you've not heard. I have told you this 1,000 times, but I just want to say that thank you for having the patience, not giving up hope on us, on me, and making sure that we are where we are today and allowing me to be a part of your family. Thank you so much.